Ever found yourself scratching your head at financial jargon? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking down some common terms. We understand that the world of finance can seem like a labyrinth of complicated terms and acronyms. It's not always easy to decipher what they all mean. But don't worry, we're about to make it a whole lot simpler for you. We'll be unraveling the mystery behind these terms, turning the complex into the comprehensible. Stick around to become a master of financial lingo. Dive right into our first term, asset. An asset is something you own that can provide future economic benefits. Think of it like a golden goose. It's not just the goose you value, but the golden eggs it'll lay in the future. Assets can be tangible, like your car or house, or intangible, like a patent or trademark. Moving on to liability. If an asset is a golden goose, then a liability is like a hungry wolf at your door. It's something you owe and will have to pay for in the future. Credit card bills, loans, or any money you owe all fall under liabilities. Next up is equity. Equity is your claim on assets after all liabilities have been paid off. It's like being the last in line at a pie shop. After everyone has taken their share, whatever pie is left, that's your equity. In business terms, equity is the owner's residual interest in the assets of a company after deducting liabilities. Let's now talk about revenue. Revenue is the total income generated by the sale of goods or services related to a company's primary operations. Think of it as the total money you get from selling all the pies in your shop. It's the gross inflow of economic benefits received by an entity. Finally, we have expense. An expense is the cost incurred in the process of generating revenue. It's like the cost of baking the pies that you sell in your shop. Expenses can be anything from salaries paid to employees, rent for the shop, or cost of ingredients for the pies. And there you have it, 5 financial terms explained in just 2 minutes. Now, let's quickly recap what we've learned. We've demystified financial jargon, taking complex terms and breaking them down into simple, digestible explanations. From amortization to yield, we've covered a broad spectrum of finance lingo. Each term, with its clarified meaning, serves as a tool in your financial toolkit. These terms, once cryptic, are now accessible, empowering you to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Remember, understanding these terms is your first step to mastering the world of finance. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.